Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join crochet pieces together using the mattress stitch. As you can see, I have two pieces of a cardigan that I'm currently working on and I need to join the panels together. So I thought I'd make a quick tutorial showing you how to neatly join crochet pieces using the mattress stitch. First, we're going to attach the yarn to our darning needle. Make sure you leave a long enough tail for joining the pieces together. Next, insert the needle through the top of the first stitch at the corner. This will help secure the yarn before we start joining the pieces. We're going to work through the inside loops of the stitches only. Insert the darning needle through each inside loop, going in and out of the stitches as we join the two crochet pieces together. Another trick I would recommend is placing your index finger between the two pieces. This will help keep them separated and make the joining process much easier. Make sure your yarn isn't too long, as it can easily get tangled and make the process more difficult. A shorter length will also make the process faster because you won't have to pull the yarn through all the way each time. It's really easy once you get the hang of it. Just keep going in and out through the inside loops of each stitch and you'll have the pieces joined together in no time. As you can see, the seam is already coming together nicely. Now gently pull the yarn to bring the stitches together and make the seam less visible. Just be careful not to pull too tightly because it can make the seam look messy. And there you have it. If you learned something new or enjoyed the tutorial, please like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.